In this video, I'll show you how to build a UI with V0. First, open your web browser, go to the V0 website, and sign into your account. Once you're logged in, click New Chat or Start a new project to begin creating your user interface. Next, describe the UI you want to build. Be as specific as possible by explaining the type of application, the layout, the colors, the components you need, and any design preferences. For example, you can ask V0 to create a dashboard, a landing page, a login screen, or an e-commerce interface. Now, submit your prompt and wait while V0 generates the user interface. It will create the layout and React components automatically. Review the generated design and make sure it matches your requirements. After that, continue refining the interface by chatting with V0. Ask it to change the colors, update the spacing, add buttons, create forms, improve the navigation, or make the design responsive for mobile devices. Each time you submit a new request, V0 will update the UI based on your instructions. Finally, once you're satisfied with the design, export the code or connect the project to GitHub if your version of V0 supports it. Open the project in your preferred code editor to continue development or deploy it as part of your application. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to build a UI with V0. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn ModeLab for more tutorials.